Hello friends, see in this video the machine is executing cement plastering work on brick wall surface. Friends, one thing I am asking you, have you ever entered a newly built house where the walls looked perfectly smooth and shining without a single crack or uneven patch? That's the magic of good quality plastering work. Today let me take you through the entire process of cement plastering as per IS specification in the most practical way. Plastering has two purposes. One is protection, the other is beauty. Protection from weather, moisture and decay, and beauty to provide a neat finish for paint or wallpaper. For plastering, the materials are very simple: cement, sand and water. But quality matters. The cement should be OPC or PPC as per IS 269, IS 8112, IS 12269 or IS 1489. Sand should be clean, well graded as per IS 383 with no silt or clay. And water, it should be potable just like drinking water as stated in IS 456 2000. Now about mix proportion. For internal plaster, 1:4 to 1:6 works fine. External plaster needs stronger bonding, usually 1:3 or 1:4. Ceiling often need a mix of 1:3 proportion. One very important step is preparing the background. I have seen many sites where plaster fails because walls were not cleaned or soaked properly. Masonry joints must be racked 10 mm deep, walls washed and kept moist for several hours before plastering. RCC members must be hacked or coated for grip. For application process, follow: mortar is freshly mixed, sprayed with a trowel and leveled. For 2-coat plaster, the first coat is scratched. The thickness should be uniform, 12 to 20 mm depending on the wall type. Curing is the prime factor. Plaster must be watered for 7 days continuously. Neglecting this leads to crack and peeling. I still remember one site where plaster was left without curing for just 2 days. Within a month, cracks and hollow patches appeared everywhere. So friends, plastering is not just about spreading mortar. It's about care, timing and following IS standards. Do it right and walls will remain strong and smooth for decades. So friends, if you found this video is useful to you, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon all. Thank you for watching this video. Meet you again very soon with such type of informative video. Thanks.